Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to deliver your items in Foodpanda. So in Foodpanda, to deliver your item, just first thing you need to do, just open up your Foodpanda app, and once you're here, there will be options on the top, and you will see Pandago. Just click on Pandago, and once you click the Pandago, select a location. For example, we're gonna select this one, our location here, and we will deliver it to here. And once we've chosen that, we can choose it's either ASAP, as soon as possible, or schedule for later. There's all the schedules. And after that, click on add delivery details. And once you're here, we need to put the recipient's detail. Let's just put a random name. Let's just put JJJ then number. You can add an item type. Let's add, maybe it's right, let's say it's an electronic. And instructions, if you want to put an instructions, let's just please be careful. And there you go. Then after that, you can choose fragile delicate items and click on that. After that, review order, then you will read all of that. There we go. Parcel must be under 20 kg, fits in a Foodpanda rider's bag, and no damage illegal or restricted items, and sealed in a bag or a box. After that, just click confirm and review order. And once you are here, you'll either choose on cash on delivery or Gcash or any cards you want. And there you go. Just place order, and then there. So that's how you deliver using Foodpanda. Hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.